Rivian is in the news today, and not for good reasons. Ford is selling some of their massive stake in the company. We're also going to talk about other companies that hold big stakes in Rivian as well and what they're doing with their shares. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Richard Allen with TipRanks TV. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Wow, Rivian is in the news today, and it's not good. They're down almost 18% as of recording this video. It doesn't look fantastic, but what's going on? Ford is selling a massive stake in Rivian. 8 million shares of Rivian are being liquidated by Ford, and that doesn't bode well for Rivian, considering Rivian shares have fell almost 72% year to date. Oh my goodness. So what's going on with Ford? Why are they selling Rivian stock now? We're also going to talk about Amazon and JPMorgan because they own massive stakes in Rivian as well. So let's jump right over and talk about Ford. Right now, Ford Motor, trading under the ticker symbol F, is down about 3.5% on the day, but they're also down about 34% year to date. If we look at first quarter fiscal year 2022 for Ford, they lost $5.4 billion because of their Rivian stake. Now, it looks bad that they're selling 8 million shares, but they actually own over 100 million shares in Rivian. So they're certainly not completely selling out of their share of this electric vehicle startup. Another company that owns a massive stake in Rivian as well is Amazon. Amazon, just like Ford today, is down 3.5%, but year to date also down over 30%. Now, Amazon, just like Ford, is losing billions of dollars every quarter on their Rivian investment. Amazon lost over $7 billion in their last quarter, but so far aren't selling millions of shares like Ford is. If we take a peek at JPMorgan, they are selling shares. JPMorgan Chase & Co., trading under the ticker symbol JPM, is down 22% year to date, but today trading pretty well compared to the major indices and other companies on this list. But JPMorgan is slated to sell between 13 and 15 million shares of Rivian to an undisclosed buyer for about $27 per share. Based on today's share price, it's not so bad. Now, what does this mean for Rivian in the short term? Well, it's not good, right? They're falling. Any sort of volatility in the market, big sales like this, it doesn't bode well in this market. People tend to panic sell, and that's what's happening with Rivian today, being down over 18%. If we take a peek at what the analysts think, however, over the next 12 months, Rivian is a moderate buy. Rivian trades under the ticker symbol RIVN and has a 200% upside over the next 12 months. Now, that 200% upside wouldn't even come close to the $180 per share that they were up to almost immediately after their IPO. Let's take a peek at Ford and see what the analysts think about Ford. Ford is also a moderate buy based on 17 analyst ratings with an average upside of 51% over the next 12 months. We're going to take a peek at Amazon and the analyst expectations there, but remember, Amazon didn't have a fantastic 2021. They are down still year to date over 32% like you saw a bit ago, but the analysts absolutely love Amazon. It's a strong buy based on 38 ratings with an average upside of almost 67%. All right, so knowing what the analysts feel about all of these companies, which of these stocks is a buy for you right now? I want to hear your opinion. Please let me know. Are you buying Rivian on the dip? Are you hoping that it falls more so you can buy later? Or are you steering completely clear of this stock because other big companies are selling? Let me know how you feel. I want to hear your opinion. And thank you so much for joining me for another video. As always, I'll see you in the next one.